Hi, good day everybody. I am attorney Maria Cecilia Oliva of MCO Law Office. So today is May 16, 2020 and starting today until May 31, the National Capital Region along with other areas in the Philippines is placed under the modified ECQ. So that under this setup, like law offices and law firms are not allowed to operate, no, even though that it is on a limited capacity. So with that, I would like to announce that MCO Law Office is now back in business. Okay, so the office hours of MCO Law Office are Mondays to Fridays, 9 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then on Saturdays, 10 a.m. up to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so in this video, I will also be inserting some discussions regarding the amended rules of civil procedure, and I would also discuss a little bit about Administrative Circular number 39-2020, which was issued by the Supreme Court last May 14, 2020. Okay, so let's talk about the amendments to the let's talk about the amendments to the revised rules of civil procedure. If you are a follower of my Facebook page, you may have seen that I actually posted something about the amendments, right? So I would like to focus more on what effects do the amendments have to the client. Okay, so if you are a client contemplating filing a civil case in court after May 1, 2020, definitely your paper or pleading will be covered by the amendments to the rules, of civil procedure. Now, what is most significant for the client is that you are now required actually not only to attach copies of your documentary evidences and your object evidences, but also you are now required to attach the judicial affidavits of your witnesses. So when you talk about judicial affidavit, it is actually the written direct testimony of your witnesses. So what will happen if you do not attach the judicial affidavit of your potential witnesses? Well, it just means that there is a possibility that you cannot prove by preponderance of evidence your claims or your defenses. So you have to attach those judicial affidavits along with the documentary and object evidences. Okay, and also if you do not follow the amendments, to the rules of civil procedure, and especially if you are the complainant or the petitioner, you will have to expect that your pleading will be considered as a scrap of paper and that your case will be dismissed. And of course, we do not want to waste our efforts, diba, and resources. So there really is a need to comply with this. So close cooperation with your lawyer is very important now that the amendments have taken effect. Okay, so I mentioned earlier that I will also talk a little bit about Administrative Circular number 39-2020, which was issued by the Supreme Court last May 14, 2020. I only want to discuss 2 points, okay? The first point is that if you intend to file a civil or criminal case before the courts under the MECQ setup, you can do so through online means, okay, or electronic means. So even though that the National Capital Region is under MECQ, our courts did not really cease operation. It's just that it's operating on a limited capacity, and of course with high consideration to the health and safety of the personnel, no. Also, kung gusto niyo pong magpa-civil wedding, provided that you already have all the requirements na magpa-civil wedding, pwede naman po kayong magpakasal na civil wedding sa ating mga courts. Okay? But you have to remember na only 5 guests are allowed inside the courtroom, and of course, kailangan po mag-face mask, kailangan i-observe yung mga hygiene protocols in place, and of course, social distancing. So, yun lang po for this day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, I am Attorney Maria Cecilia Oliva of MCO Law Office. If you would like to schedule an appointment with me for consultation, legal consultation that is, you may send me a message through my Facebook page, MCO Law Office, or you may also send me an email, mcolawoffice@gmail.com. You may also call my landline number, that's 02-7756-1482. Okay? So, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Ingat po kayo, huwag mong kakalimutan, social distancing, observe, proper hygiene, no? Magugas ng kamay, you wash your hands with alcohol, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Huwag pong kakalimutan talaga social distancing. Hindi po kayo mamamatay if hindi kayo makipagbeso-beso sa mga friends nyo. Hindi rin kayo mamamatay kung hindi nyo muna ihahag yung mga loved ones ninyo. So, thank you and God bless.